Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video very quickly I will show you how to remove a phone number in PayPal. Guys, this is super simple. Press on this gear icon. It will open up your menu. After that, the first ever tab, account, as you can see, next to the security, you will have your phone numbers section, okay? So in order to remove your phone number, the only way to do it is to add a new number and remove the previous one, right? So you can either change or you can either add. If you want to remove your phone number, you will actually have to refer to the customer support and actually try and figure out if they actually allow in their policy to even remove the phone number. So that's how you do it, guys. So just go to change. In here, as you can see, you can either add new, and when you add a new phone number, you remove the old one easily. And that's it, my friends. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.